Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a payment processing system with PayPal, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a PayPal business account if you don't already have one. Go to the PayPal website and click on the Sign Up button. Select Business Account and follow the prompts to fill out your information. Verify your email address to complete the account setup. Log into your PayPal business account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Tools section in the menu. Click on All Tools to access various PayPal services. Find and select PayPal Payments Standard for website integration. Choose the suitable payment button option, like Buy Now or Add to Cart. Customize your button with item details, price, and currency. Click Create button to generate the HTML code. Copy the generated HTML code. Open your website editor or platform. Access the section where you want to place the payment button. Paste the HTML code where you want the button to appear. Save and publish your changes on your website. Next, test the payment button to ensure everything works smoothly. To do this, navigate to your live website and click the button. Complete a test transaction using a Sandbox account if possible. If the test transaction is successful, your payment processing system is ready to go live. Monitor transactions through your PayPal business account dashboard. Consider configuring additional settings, like IPN for instant payment notifications. Explore advanced integrations, such as PayPal Checkout or PayPal SDK, for further customization. Remember to keep your account information secure and updated. Review PayPal's resources for ongoing support and best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.